Hello South Korea. Welcome to all our friends, the freshest friend, the wealthiest and the biggest entrepreneurs all over South Korea. Welcome to my launching of the first in the world button bash machine for a special promotion price for you who are very lucky to come here today. Just for this day, I give you a magnificent price, a promotion price just only for today for $1,234. How about that? Okay, gentlemen, how about the price? Good enough for you? Interesting, right? Okay, gentlemen, for that price, you can get this beauty in your possession. Okay? Unfortunately, I want to tell you the promotion price is just only for today, because after this, the price will be different. It will be up a little bit more after this. So, do not hesitate to grab this one now. Don't worry. You will be given a manual, also a video tutorial about how to operate this machine. Okay, now gentlemen, I am showing you how to operate this button bash machine. Okay, first, please make a good space for your machine to operate. Okay, do not need a big space. If you can afford a big space, it's good, but if you have just enough for the machine, it's quite okay. Okay, how to operate this machine? Okay, we get a pair of mouse here. Okay, the left one and the right one. This pair will interchangeable, from left to right, from right to left. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, now first we put the metal piece into the first mold. Slot it into the mold. Okay, the metal will be snapped inside the mold. Okay, look. The metal properly snapped into the mold. Okay, then after you put that metal, you put the paper of your printed design. Okay, now I'm using the famous design of IM design. Okay. Secondly, you put the mylar. Put the mylar on the top of that paper. Okay, look good, right? Look good. Okay, now your first move is settled. Okay, push the left mouse to the right. Okay, and you can see the second mouse will be on the right. Okay, if you push back again, the mouse will be outside again. Make sure the first mouse is under that part. Okay, you will see this hole will snap the first mouse. Okay, now the first process is to get to this handle and you just press down this handle to go down. Okay, just do an adequate pressure. Don't force yourself. It's not really strong, but it's quite forceful. Okay, let me show you how to press the first mount. Okay, see this properly. Okay, this is my hand to the handle. Okay, now I will press down the handle. Okay, now look, like that, simple. Okay, and now look at the mount. Look at the mount. When I push back to the left, ta-da, magic, right? The bottom base is just missing. Don't be scared, because actually the button is stuck here. Okay, somewhere here in this part, to wait the next process. Okay, now after you press this button, the mouse will go to your right. Okay, please don't get confused. Okay, now the second mouse is on your right. Okay, now get to your pin bag. Okay, this is your pin bag. Okay, now be careful, because the pin bag has identical look. Okay, at your first glance, it's quite similar. Okay, the back and the front is quite similar. So take a closer look to this thing. Okay, now you can see the difference. This thing got embossed here, embossed curve. Okay, and at the back is debossed. Okay, this one embossed. Okay, make sure the deboss is at the top, the emboss at the bottom. Okay, like this. Okay, zooming. Okay, like this. Okay, now put the pin back, okay, with the deboss on the top, the emboss facing down. Okay, now, okay, look, okay, the pin is here. Okay, it is aligned to the machine. Okay, now slide it to the left under that part again, just like the first one, and now press it again just like the first one. Okay, I will press this down for the second time for an adequate force. Okay, simple, very simple. Okay, now let's see what happened here. The mount will be go to the left, and I will push back the second mount, and ta-da, 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 your first button mesh of South Korean has been made. Congratulations!